What up, everybody? It's your girl July from Kickback Couture. Today I'm gonna do a comparison video between Vocal Synth 2 and Ovox. I'm not gonna go too deep into every single parameter, but I will give a great overview on the differences between the two. Now let's just start with the top. Vocal Synth 2, it has MIDI mode, sidechain mode, and auto mode, as well as you can use it as a standalone. Waves is the same: sidechain, MIDI, auto, which is track, and you can use it as standalone. The next thing I would like to get into are Izotope's modules. Now we have Ovox, which manipulates the vocal track length, vocoder, CompuVox, and these all have different effects windows, TalkBox, and Polyvox. Polyvox allows you to create harmonies, and the voicing section for that is here. Now Ovox has two oscillators, and this is what it looks like on the face. They are both identical. We can expand this to see what is underneath the hood, and as I said, they're identical, and these are the options we have for the character of the oscillators, and we can change the waveforms here using this pad. The next thing that may catch your attention is the effects panel. Now Izotope has distortion, filter, transform, shred, chorus, EQ, delay, and ring modulation. Whereas Ovox has this EQ, which you can apply to the final output of your signal. Effects, which are auto pan, chorus, compressor, delay, distortion, limiter, and reverb. It also has these 4 modulators. These are LFOs that you can apply to any of these parameters that you see light up just by dragging and dropping. We also have 2 ADSRs, in which we can use to affect our signal, amplitude, pitch, and formant. A unique feature that Izotope Vocal Synth has is this XY meter, in which we can get enhanced control over what we're doing to our signal, and we can map these to whichever parameters we so please. Now they both host voice correction modules. Izotope Synth is of the basic side with chromatic, major, and minor, and of course we can add custom. Then over here in Izotope, it has a humongous bank of possibilities and presets without you having to map your own, and you can create your own user library as well. Chords, scales, harmonies, and of course select a bass note, and we can also do that here when we select our bass note in Vocal Synth 2. Just select the key or the scale, and then you can select the note, the bass note. Now I have a vocal that I would like to affect as part of this comparison video. Let's go ahead and start with Vocal Synth 2. I'll actually play it dry first so that you can hear what's going on. Just gonna turn both of these off. This is the vocal without any manipulation processing. There is a de-esser, an EQ, and a compressor.
So what does low feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's a lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see.
Alright, you get the point. This is a poem. Let's go ahead and turn these back on. Keep open. Apologies for the low frequency buzz in that signal as well. Alright, Vocal Synth 2. Let's go ahead and get the default preset, and let's start with this. See what we can get.
So what does that feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's the only presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power to break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting dark, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pray don't mind the exit time is money, I'm a beast in G. Put the G-A-N-G, cause everybody envy. Watching from the sidelines, hoping that I don't have the it in me. Well, you officially been let down. down. I'm feeling low, but I'm up for the crown. What you thought? So what does love feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's the lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power
To break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting darker, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pay no mind to haters, if time is money, I'm a beast stingy. With the G-A-N-G, cause everybody envy. Watching from the sidelines, hoping that I don't have the it in me. Well, you've officially been let down. I'm feeling low, but I'm up for the crown. What you thought? So what does love feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's a lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power to break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting darker, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pay no mind to haters, if time is money, I'm a beast stingy. With the G-A-N-G, cause everybody envy. Watching from the sidelines, hoping that I don't have the it in me. Well, you've officially been let down. I'm feeling low, but I'm up for the crown. What you thought? So what does love feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's the lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power to break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting darker, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pay no mind to haters, if time is money, I'm a beast stingy. With the G-A-N-G, cause everybody envy. Watching from the sidelines, hoping that I don't have the it in me.
Alright, we had some fun transforming that. Let's go ahead and switch over to Ovox. I didn't mean to screenshot it. Ha.
So what does love feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's the lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power to break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting darker, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pay no mind to haters, if time is money, I'm a beast stingy. With the G-A-N-G, cause everybody envy. Watching from the sidelines, hoping that I don't have the it in me. Well, you've officially been let down. I'm feeling low, but I'm up for the crown. What you thought? So what does love feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's the lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power to break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting darker, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pay no mind to haters, if time is money, I'm a beast stingy. With the G-A-N-G, cause everybody envy. Watching from the sidelines, hoping that I don't have the it in me. Well, you've officially been let down. I'm feeling low, but I'm up for the crown. What you thought? So what does love feel like? Well, it feels like empty. It's the lonely presence in my soul, and it's ironic because it's with me, you see. I never let it overtake me because it has the power to break me. I try my best to fight it, but it's all I can confide in. My thoughts are getting darker, I'm just trying to let the light in. You only want the truth, therefore I shouldn't have to lie in. Honestly, all the negatives bring out the beast in me. Pay no mind to haters, if time is money, I'm a beast stingy.
So they both definitely have different sonic qualities, and I believe they both have a place in my creative workflow. I would suggest grabbing the trial of both plugins. Vocal Synth 2 has a 10-day trial available, and Ovox also has a 14-day trial available, I believe. Definitely give both of them a try. They have some similarities, and they also have huge differences. The differences being in Ovox's oscillators, of course the effects, and Izotope's modules in those separate effects. Let me know what you would like to see next. It's all culture, kick back, and cook up.